Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Suddenly Pasta Salad Classic. First, gather your ingredients: 1 box of Suddenly Salad mix, 2 cups of water, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You'll also want about 1 cup of your favorite chopped fresh vegetables, such as bell peppers or cucumbers, to enhance the flavor and texture. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Bring 6 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium saucepan. Add the pasta from the mix and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta is cooking, take this time to finely chop your 1 cup of fresh vegetables. This ensures they're ready to go when the pasta is done. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it well and return it to the saucepan or a large mixing bowl. Add the seasoning packet from the box, along with the 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir everything together until the pasta is evenly coated. Now, gently fold in your fresh, chopped vegetables. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious Suddenly Pasta Salad Classic is now ready to serve. It makes a fantastic side dish for any meal, from barbecues to weeknight dinners. For best results, give it a quick stir before serving. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pasta salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.